Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this UGREEN 4-port USB-C hub. So here's everything that comes in the box. This is a USB-C connector on the end. I can plug that into a laptop or like an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now let's go over, it has 4 USB-C connectors on one side and that's it. Overall dimensions 4 inches by 1.5 inches, not very thick, about 3/8 of an inch thick. The cable on the end is roughly about 9.5 inches long. Now this is for data transfer only. You cannot charge your device through this cable. If you want to plug other devices into here and transfer data only. And here's kind of the specs. USB 3.2 Gen 2. Supports data transfer rate of 10 gigabytes per second. And again, in the asterisk, the hub is used for data transfer only, not for charging. I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.